Bit short in seconds, say what matters. Bit short, सेकंडों में वह कहते हैं जो मायने रखता है. Airports Authority of India (AAI), which operates the major airport in India's capital Delhi, confirmed on 8 November 2025 that all flight operations had returned to normal after a technical glitch disrupted hundreds of departures and arrivals the previous day. The issue reportedly stemmed from a malfunction in the IP-based automatic message switching system (MSS) used for generating flight plans. The system failed around 6 p.m. on 7 November, causing at least 200 flights to be delayed, with some departure delays averaging about 60 minutes and the airline Indigo seeing its shares dip by 2% in response. Airport controllers resorted to manually generating flight plans while the system was offline. AAI said the MSS had been restored and operations were proceeding normally on Saturday, but acknowledged that backlog and ripple effects may linger. Analysts say the incident highlights vulnerabilities in the air traffic infrastructure at one of the world's busiest hubs and raises questions about contingency preparedness. For airlines and passengers, the disruption reinforced the need for robust backup systems and prompt communication. While global hubs faced technology-driven disruptions earlier this year, India's aviation sector now faces pressure to upgrade legacy systems, ensure real-time resilience and manage passenger service disruptions in peak periods. The incident also drew regulator scrutiny. Key stakeholders expect the AI to detail root cause analysis, timeline of recovery, compensation for affected travelers and future prevention measures. For domestic aviation growth ambitions, maintaining reliability is critical, and the episode may prompt accelerated investment in digital ATC infrastructure, redundancy systems and crisis response protocols. Outcomes and uptake by private telcos. Think Business, Think BizShort. Tap to subscribe.